Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to reduce the noise of your microphone during screen recording with OBS Studio. At this time, I am demonstrating the original sound quality of the integrated microphone of my laptop computer. As you hear, my microphone is very noisy before applying the noise filter. Now, I will show you how to apply the noise reduction filter to enhance the quality of recorded audio. Just open the OBS Studio. Then in the In channel, just click on the Setting button, then select Filters. Then we will add a noise reduction filter, the last one. Then we confirm by clicking on OK. You can change the threshold of the noise reduction, but I will keep the default values. Then I close this panel by clicking on Close. As you hear now, the noise is eliminated in real time during the recording with OBS Studio. If you liked this tutorial, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Creative Team. If you liked this tutorial, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and activate the ring button to receive our subsequent videos. See you in the next video.